Ever feel like your budget just can't stretch that far? You're not alone. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that latte habit, it's easy to feel strapped for cash. But what if there was a way to give your budget a little boost without taking on a whole new loan? Well, if you're a Monese user, you might be in luck. They offer a feature called Monese Boost, and it could be the secret weapon you need to manage your finances a little better. So, how exactly does Monese Boost work? And more importantly, how much can you actually boost your budget by? That's what we're here to find out today. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Monese Boost and its limits. Monese Boost explained. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of limits, let's take a quick step back and understand what Monese Boost actually is. Imagine you swipe your Monese card a little too freely one month. Maybe you went a bit overboard on groceries, or that weekend getaway cost more than planned. Whatever the reason, you're left with a bigger bill than you anticipated. Here's where Monese Boost comes in. It essentially lets you spread the cost of a past card transaction over a set period. So, instead of paying it all back in one go, you can break it down into manageable monthly installments. Think of it like a tiny loan, but specifically for past purchases you've already made on your Monese card. It's a great way to free up some cash flow in the short term without falling into debt. So, what's the catch? Well, there's always a catch, right? In Monese Boost's case, the catch is the limit. They don't just hand out free money, they assess your financial situation before assigning you a limit. Unlocking the Monese Boost limit mystery. Here's the thing, Monese doesn't give you a one-size-fits-all limit. Instead, they take a personalized approach. When you apply for Credit Builder, another Monese feature that helps build your credit score, they analyze the information you provide. Based on that information, they assign you a Monese Boost limit. So, what kind of information are we talking about? Things like your income, spending habits, and any existing debts all factor into the equation. Basically, Monese wants to make sure you can comfortably handle the additional repayments before giving you the green light to boost. But is there a way to increase your Monese Boost limit? Absolutely. Monese is all about helping you improve your financial health. So, as you use Credit Builder and Monese Boost responsibly, making your repayments on time, your creditworthiness increases in their eyes. This can lead to Monese reevaluating your limit and potentially giving you a boost, pun intended, in your spending power. Here's another factor to consider. If your financial situation improves, say you get a raise or your cost of living goes down, this could also trigger Monese to reassess your affordability and potentially raise your limit. Knowing your Monese Boost limit. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually find out what my Monese Boost limit is? Thankfully, Monese makes it super easy. Just head over to the Monese Boost section of your app. Your limit will be displayed prominently, so there's no guessing involved. The bottom line on Monese Boost limits. Monese Boost can be a great tool for managing your finances, but it's important to be mindful of the limit. Remember, it's not a free pass to spend endlessly. It's there to help you out in a pinch, not to create a bigger financial burden. By using Monese Boost responsibly and building a good credit history with Monese, you might just see your limit increase over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.